Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Spring is in the air, and that means Easter is just around the corner. It's the perfect time to refresh your home with light, cheerful, and creative decorations that bring warmth and joy to your space. Whether you love traditional pastel themes, rustic farmhouse vibes, or modern minimalism with a festive twist, I've got you covered with fresh, stylish, and unique Easter decorating ideas for 2025. Today, we're talking about 5 stunning ways to transform your home for the season. Ideas that will have your guests swooning and your space looking absolutely beautiful. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into the magic of Easter decor. Let's start with the heart of many Easter celebrations, the dining table. This year, tablescapes are all about layers, texture, and elegant simplicity. Begin with a soft linen or lace tablecloth in pastel shades like blush pink, baby blue, or creamy ivory. Add natural elements like woven placemats or rattan chargers to bring in a warm, organic touch. For your centerpiece, opt for a low floral arrangement filled with seasonal flowers such as tulips, daffodils, and ranunculus. Intertwine delicate fairy lights or small branches with hanging Easter eggs for a magical effect. Candles and glass votives or antique brass holders add a cozy glow, making your Easter dinner feel extra special. And don't forget personalized place cards. Write each guest's name on a mini egg or a wooden bunny cutout for a charming, customized touch. First impressions matter, and what better way to welcome guests than with a stunning Easter wreath? This year, think beyond the traditional and experiment with asymmetrical designs, fresh greenery, and unique embellishments. A gorgeous DIY idea is to use a grapevine wreath as your base, weaving in faux or dried flowers, eucalyptus, and speckled eggs for a chic, natural look. If you prefer something bolder, try a bunny-shaped wreath wrapped in pastel ribbons or adorned with vibrant spring blossoms. Another fun option? A farmhouse-style wooden sign with hand-painted Easter messages like Happy Easter or Welcome Spring. Hang it on your door or prop it against a porch wall with a potted lavender plant for an inviting touch. Your fireplace mantel is the perfect spot to showcase a festive Easter arrangement. Start with a garland of lush greenery, boxwood, eucalyptus, or ivy to create a fresh backdrop. Then, layer in decorative elements such as ceramic bunnies, vintage candlesticks, and pastel-hued eggs for a balanced and beautiful display. A stylish 2025 trend is to incorporate art prints or framed quotes related to Easter and spring renewal. Swap out everyday artwork with prints featuring delicate florals, watercolor rabbits, or inspiring phrases like "bloom where you are planted." For added depth, mix in different heights using books, cake stands, or glass cloches filled with speckled eggs. If you love a touch of whimsy, try adding a bunny figurine holding a basket of fresh flowers or a small, charming bird's nest for a rustic cottage feel. If you're enjoying these Easter decor ideas, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on fresh, stylish home inspiration. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to decorate for Easter? Let me know in the comments below. Yes, Christmas trees are wonderful, but have you tried an Easter tree? A growing trend in seasonal decor, Easter trees are a beautiful way to add height and visual interest to your space. Create your own by placing decorative branches in a large vase and hanging pastel eggs, delicate butterflies, or tiny bunny ornaments. You can use natural tree branches, spray painted white for a clean, modern look, or opt for faux cherry blossom stems for a romantic and elegant effect. If you're looking for a simpler version, try a tabletop Easter tree made of painted wooden sticks adorned with miniature decorations. This idea works perfectly for smaller spaces like entryway tables, kitchen counters, or even kids' rooms. Finally, let's talk about creating small, cozy Easter-inspired vignettes around your home. These little pockets of seasonal joy bring charm to any corner, whether it's a coffee table, sideboard, or entryway console. Use decorative trays to group together Easter candles, mini ceramic chicks, and a stack of pastel books. A bowl filled with speckled eggs and dried moss makes for an effortless yet stunning touch. To make it extra inviting, add a small lamp with a floral or gingham lampshade and a soft throw blanket in pastel hues draped over a chair. For a family-friendly idea, create a fun Easter-themed reading nook. Arrange plush bunny toys, Easter storybooks, and a fluffy rug to make a delightful spot for little ones to enjoy springtime stories. No matter your style, Easter decorating is all about celebrating new beginnings, fresh blooms, and cozy, joyful spaces. Whether you're hosting a big family brunch or simply want to bring a little seasonal charm to your home, these creative ideas will help you craft a space that feels warm, inviting, and ready for springtime magic. From enchanting tablescapes to elegant mantel displays and whimsical Easter trees, these trends for 2025 are all about mixing tradition with fresh, modern elements. I hope these ideas inspire you to get creative and make your home a stunning, festive retreat this Easter season. If you loved this video, make sure to subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration, and don't forget to check out my other videos for even more home styling tips. Wishing you a wonderful Easter filled with love, laughter, and beautiful decor. See you next time.